Hello, Lucy. Simona digging herself a hole. Well, here we are again. Another day, another coffee bags. Love starting to see engine getting cleaner. We can concentrate it down here. See, it's all getting much. We can actually see metal everywhere. We can also see rust. Has to be addressed, obviously. But if we look all the way back there, I think you might be able to pick up where the red finishes. So we are going to continue to prep the chassis for painting, because we just keep on doing one job at a time. There's no point getting all upset about all the rest of the work that he's done. Centre a pin to the truck bed mill, so the hinge has to be longer than 80mm. Do it again. There's no we like to measure twice. You see that? 38" from the centre of the pin. Okay, 38" from the centre of the pin on the front one. On the front one we're at 900mm, pretty much bang on. So now we're talking just a ball here under 35, so 820. Yep, a door 820 tall misses the floor. That's the full height of the door. The top of that 820, there's going to be the round bar, and then you've got to drop down enough for a rope to slide through, and then it's the angle at the top of the door after that. So there's the door size. Well, here we are, a wee bit later on in the day. This one, pretty much trash, not much left of it. That's backing plate, it's about the same thickness as the front plate now. The wheel of death, my god, what a bit of kit. Scary as hell to use. You've got to be really careful when you're using it. But hey, that has outlasted, well, it's outlasted that, which has lasted about 10 minutes. It's outlasted, a packet of these, 40 grit, you know, yeah, this is done really, really well. I must admit, I'm very pleased with it for the price. This is another great wee thing for getting in amongst the nuts and bolts inside all your wee brackets. You know, it jumps about a bit, but you're contained inside a bracket, and you know, like to get in there, to get into that corner there. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Gets right in there. You know what I mean? So there you go. Put everything away. There's my wee safety mask. This is a mask that you wear for dust that you can see, right? So even this wouldn't stop a virus. Okay, it's not for solvents, but it's for dust. There you go. Not a hope in hell with it stop a virus. So today we will be using an extension lead, ear defenders, breathing apparatus, safety gloves, wheel of death, flat wheel, 40 grit. We're going to try out this new blue nylon wheel. We've got another little tiny mini wheel of death on the end of a drill. And we're going to be attacking the chassis from the front this time, all the way back to where the red is, which is the second from final coat at the back of the chassis, to continue the painting. So this is the kind of mask that we wear when we're doing, you know, dusty work, or work with dust that might, you know, cause you irritating, you know, like cement dust or rhododendron dust. This is what we use for dust that we can see, double filtered, fitted, and yet a bit of cloth was meant to stop a virus. My god. And they tell us people are starting to wake up. I don't think so. I think if we're told to put a silly mask on, everyone will jump and put it back on again, because people are too lazy to look anything up, or even to realise when they can see the truth. Wrong. Do whatever the BBC tell them to. Yeah, a lot cleaner. We're still talking behind the mask that actually works. Because I wear things that work. I don't comply for the sake of a quiet life. So today, more cleaning as usual. Just trying to get all the crap off the engine bay. Any oil, any garbage. The SD card messed up today, so all that cleaning, all the muck that we got all over ourselves and everything. The review of the blue nylon disc, which was very fast at doing what it did, but it didn't last very long at all. It probably lasted about 10 minutes, so not really far. The wee drill end wire brush was very good at getting into delicate areas. It didn't last very long, but that was probably more to do with the fact that I wouldn't put it down, because it was very good at getting into little areas, you know, so I would probably buy 2 or 3 more of them. That was a little flat wheel, that one. The wee pencil wire brushes that you put in the drill end are so far excellent. Very good at getting into the little brackets and, you know, just corner things that you'd be worried about taking a more violent machine into. They work very well. So we seem to be working mainly with wire brushes. The flap discs, man, you go through them pretty quick. You know, I mean, it might be the quality we're using, I don't know, but you go through them pretty quick. So that's it. I'll upload whatever I've got today to show you. But restoring motors is not fast, it's not fancy, it's just days and days and days of cleaning and rubbing and scrubbing and sanding and more of all that. Again, you know, obviously no workshop. So when it rains, we stop. In the winter, it's pretty hard. You know, you can only do what you can do with the stuff you've got. And this is definitely budget level restoration for normal people with no money.